Hey there, I'm Rachel with Everyday Good Looks, and today we're going to do a curling wand tutorial in this straight hair of mine. I've already prepped my hair with Kerastase Elixir Ultimate, and that gives it some heat protection and also makes it more shiny. This is second day hair, so I washed it yesterday and this is what it looks like. I did flat iron it yesterday, but today it is just great for curls. I'm going to start by getting my trusty heat glove on. I'm going to put it on my left hand so that I don't burn it when I'm curling my hair. I'm going to section out my hair now so that the top half is on the top so we can curl that bottom hair without the top getting in the way. This is my absolute very favorite curling wand. It's called XTava, and I've got it set at 350 degrees. You can adjust the heat settings if you like for your hair, but this seems to be good for mine. I'm going to hold it kind of vertically so that the top is near the ceiling and the bottom is near the floor. And I'm going to wrap the hair around the wand, starting from the base and going up. And then I'm just going to wait maybe 10 seconds. There we go. And the smaller the sections that you do, the tighter it will be. And the bigger sections that you do, the looser it will be. You don't worry too much about the bottom because, of course, it's going to be covered up by the top. And you just want to have some wave down there, so it doesn't matter if you mess up a bit down on the bottom. You just don't want to have a bunch of straight hair back there. There we go. My hair does curl really easily and stays in really well. If your hair doesn't curl easily, you can try putting in some hairspray before you do each section of hair. My daughter does that because her hair does not hold a curl, and that does help a lot. You kind of want to let the hairspray dry before you do the curl so that your hair doesn't fall out. But yeah, wrong side. I have a monitor here in front of me, and it's a mirror image. So sometimes I get it wrong. So it's getting to be Christmas time around here. It's the beginning of December. You probably won't see this video for a couple weeks because I'm a bit ahead on my posting. Oops. Twisted too far. This is when it comes in handy to have an extra pair of hands, right? Or an extra pair of eyes in the back of your head so you can see what you're doing. Alright. Somebody's screaming in the backyard. Hope it's not my kids. I think I've got the back done well there. So I got the bottom half finished. Okay, I'm going to take the top part down. I'm going to get my part where I want it. And I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to curl away from my face. I believe this is a 1.5 or 2 inch curling iron, but I'll link to it down below in the description. And I think it was maybe in the $20 to $30 range, and it's just the most awesome curling iron. I love that you can adjust the heat to the temperature that fits with your hair. It just does a solid, consistent job every time you curl with it. There you go. Let's see here. Already got some of that part done. So this is just gonna be a tiny one. That's okay. It's good to have different sizes and thicknesses of curls too, just to vary it up. You don't have to wait as long on those ones. I could probably do one right there. I'm gonna go away from my face this time. So I only wash my hair twice per week, usually on Tuesday and Saturday. And this is Friday. I probably will wash my hair on Sunday tomorrow. Or I'll probably wash my hair on Sunday because tomorrow my hair will probably look really pretty and loose curls, and I love the way it looks the day after I curl it. All right, on to the other side. I'm curling away from my face and kind of doing a thicker section. I just don't want that one to be like a really tight curl. And this time I'm holding the one vertically and up so that it has a little more body. You'll kind of get the hang of it the more you practice. Let's see, I like how that looks except right here. Let's do that one again. I am getting some highlights in my hair on Monday, so next time you see a video from me, it'll be a little different. So you'll have to look at it now and let me know what you think after it gets done. I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna be seeing a new hairstylist. The lady that cuts my hair fractured her fingers, so she's out for a while, and she said, you probably better find someone else until I heal. So I'm excited to get those highlights. I do have some highlights in the bottom part of my hair right now. That was my first time ever doing color. I do kind of have a natural auburn color hair, so I haven't minded my color very much. In fact, I actually really like it. But I am starting to get some gray hairs, so I think it's about time to add some color. I guess that's what you get for being 42. Gotta pay a little more to get your hair done. All right, so we're just finishing up, and I think some curls are loose, some are tight, but it all kind of works together. I'm gonna do this in 2 chunks. Let's go towards my face. So I don't think you can do a curling wand without a heat glove. It's pretty much an essential part of the hair curling process, because this curling wand is stinking hot. I can even feel it a little bit through the glove, and I have burned myself. In fact, you can see right there, I burned myself on the flat iron, and I've got a big scar there, and it got infected and it swelled up. It was awful, so I don't recommend not using a heat glove, especially since I think this one was like $5. There's no excuse really. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good here. Let's see, I think I'd like to do one right here going away, and I'm gonna hold it in a little longer so that it'll be a more pronounced curl. So what are you doing for the holidays? I'd love to hear from you guys. Or if you're watching this after Christmas, what did you do for the holidays? I love to hear what other people's traditions are and what they're up to. Okay, now we're gonna go on the back, and I can't see it, so I'm just gonna grab a few pieces and we'll go for it. Try to feel around for what's still straight back there. I think this is kind of a way to spruce up second or third day hair so that it looks a little more put together, and it actually looks better when you've got a little bit of greasiness in your hair. It makes it look a little more messy, not so perfect. We don't want it perfect. Okay, I'm gonna get my mirror and look at the back just so I can make sure. Oh, still got some gotta do back there. Right there. We are actually going to Disneyland after Christmas. That's our Christmas present to our kids. We're huge Disney fans. We've actually got a YouTube channel that's based on Disney. And I have a book that tells you how to save money going to Disneyland. So I'm working on revising that. It's a few years old. So that's what I'm up to these days. I'd love to hear what you're up to. I'd also love to hear what you think about my lipstick. It's a new color I got and I'm not too sure about it. Plus the lip liner I used today was really dark. Okay. That's looking good. I'm liking it. All right, the last step is to put in some sea salt spray, and this is my very favorite sea salt spray, and it's super cheap. Tresemme Perfectly Undone Sea Salt Spray. I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. So you just want to have your hand kind of far away and just spritz it lightly. It's best to spray a couple times away from your hair because a big glob of it comes out first. Okay. And then don't touch it. Just leave it alone until it dries. So I'm just gonna wait a couple minutes and I will come back and show you the finished look. Okay, it's been a couple minutes and the sea salt spray has dried in my hair. It will still continue to loosen a little bit and look a little bit more beachy as time goes on. But just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to turn around and show you my hair so you can see how it looks. And if you have any questions, please make sure to post a comment and I'd be happy to answer. So here's the back. And here's the front. And of course you could do like a little French braid right there, or you could back comb this to give you some more volume. I already have a lot of volume, so I think I'm good. Anyway, that's it, and thanks for watching.